Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for gold. First, navigate to the gold symbol, typically ZOLAS, to load its chart. You can then select your preferred time frame from 1 minute to 1 month to view price movements. Easily switch between chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts, to suit your analytical style. This initial setup is crucial for any gold trader. Next, enhance your analysis by adding technical indicators. TradingView offers hundreds, including popular ones like the Relative Strength Index or various moving averages. Use the drawing tools to mark key price levels, identify trends, and project potential future movements. You can also overlay other assets, like the US dollar index, to see their correlation with gold. Setting up alerts is a powerful feature to notify you of significant price changes without constant monitoring. You can create custom watch lists to keep track of different gold-related instruments or commodities. Additionally, the integrated economic calendar helps you stay informed about global events that could impact gold prices, ensuring you never miss a crucial market move. TradingView allows you to backtest your strategies against historical gold data, helping you refine your approach before risking capital. You can also connect with a vast community of traders, share ideas, and learn from others' analyses. This collaborative environment is invaluable for growth. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.